Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change app icon size on Android. Okay, so whether you're using a Samsung, Pixel, Xiaomi or OnePlus device, I've got you covered in how to get this done. Now for Samsung Galaxy devices, One UI 6.1 Plus, all you need to do is to head over to the home screen, long press on an empty space on the home screen. If you're using a Samsung device, then just go ahead and click on settings. Here for my Nokia 2.4, it's home settings, right? But if you're using the Samsung phone, you're going to find settings. So select settings at the bottom, the home screen settings. Then once you tap on settings, then tap on home screen grid or app screen grid. You see options like 4 times 5, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, etc. So choose a higher grid size like 5x. For smaller icons or a lower grid, just choose 4.5 for larger icons. All right, so tap apply to save your layout. Now, just like that, once you do that, your icons resize. It will be resized based. Okay, so just like that, your icon will be resized based on the grid size you select. Now, for Google Pixel devices, that's stock Android 14, all you need to do is to long press on the home screen and select wallpaper and style. Then scroll down and tap on upgrade. All right, so once you tap on this upgrade, you see it here. So choose from the grade options. You have 3.3, mine says 3.3, 4.4 and 5.5. So some you can see 5.6. So select any of them and choose apply. Now stock Android lets you resize app icons by changing the app grade. And that's also a tighter grid means smaller icons, super clean and organized. Now for Xiaomi devices, just open the settings app, go to home screen, then tap system navigation, then back to the home screen settings, look for icon size or customize layout. Use the slider to increase or decrease icon size, tap apply or back out to save. Now Xiaomi gives you precise control. Use the slider to fine tune exactly how big or small your icons appear. So go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. If you want more customization, just try a launcher like Nova Launcher. It lets you resize icons down to the pixel, apply icon packs, and even much more. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.